Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business network with Fortinet, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current network architecture. Identify all devices connected to your network. Map out your network layout, including routers, switches, and access points. Ensure your hardware is compatible with Fortinet solutions. Choose the right Fortinet product based on your business needs. Consider FortiGate firewalls for advanced threat protection. Evaluate the FortiAP series for secure wireless access. Install Fortinet's management software for streamlined monitoring. Begin by configuring your FortiGate firewall. Access the FortiGate management interface through your web browser. Log in using your administrator credentials. Update the firmware to the latest version for optimal security. Configure network settings, including IP addressing and routing. Set up user groups and define access policies. Create and apply firewall rules to control incoming and outgoing traffic. Implement a VPN for secure remote access. Enable intrusion prevention system features to detect and block threats. Integrate antivirus and web filtering options for additional protection. Monitor network activity via the dashboard for real-time insights. Regularly review and update security policies to adapt to new threats. Conduct periodic vulnerability assessments to identify weaknesses. Ensure regular backups of your configuration settings. Train your staff on best security practices to mitigate human error. Establish an incident response plan in case of a security breach. Regularly test your security measures to ensure efficacy. Document all configuration changes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.